Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Alright, so Rudy Galetti will be one of the transfer gurus out there. Don't come outside and let us know, say Arsenal, they interested in signing Victor Nelson of Galatasaray. Now Victor Nelson is a centre back where they play for Galatasaray. So Arsenal, they interested in signing this player. Now Galetti going to go forward, going to talk, say this Victor Nelson is one of 4 players where Arsenal they look at, say they would like to sign to replace the injured Julian Timber, to give Arsenal more and more options. And the question now is, how much is this player going to be costing Arsenal? This player has a 25 million euros buyout clause for in contract, so Arsenal are looking at doing some deals with this club. So that is what we are seeing, because you know, say as it stands like this now, we are limited with options. The centre back who will sign will also be versatile to play anywhere across the back four, don't get a very lengthy injury. So Arsenal at this point, they look at the fact that they want to bring in somebody before the transfer window close. And cast your mind back, I think yesterday or the before yesterday, where at that time they talk, say we get some people who they discuss with, some deals we are about to finalize. And when we don't finalize these deals, Baba go come and announce them to everybody, because we know, say as we did like this now, what if something happens to Zinchenko now? What if something happens to Saliba? Anybody can get injured, anything can happen, because the game of play is a game that has to do with motion. Anybody can do a wrong tackle and slide your defender, you get injury. So what do we do next? That is why we need to get many players. And like I tell they talk, as of now we are playing maybe one game in 8 days, one game in 10 days. Time they come, we kind of play like every 4 days. That is when rotation will be very key. Everybody is going to play an integral part of this season. So let us keep our fingers crossed. The Victor Nelson, I don't know how they play. I know they really want Galatasaray game. So, but because of what the Galetti don't talk, I go enter YouTube, go check and I see what the guy going to bring to the Arsenal table. I will even check his height. How tall is he? Because you can't be a centre back and be a short level. You know, will make sense. So let's keep watching. Alright, away from that, so riding on the Kai Havertz train, so Gary Neville come and second the drop in own opinion. So Baba Day of the opinion say Arteta should stop his experimentation. Now not be even only Gary Neville, even Richard Keys will be one of the pundits for BN Sports also came out and said Arteta should stop all this experimentation. I think at this point, unless maybe Arteta want to talk, say they hear the voice of wisdom. Both in our rights, both Repalo, like so many Arsenal legends, majority of the fans, everybody is complaining on the same thing. Stop your experimentation. So I expect Arteta to actually give us something different by the time we go play Manchester United. Like some days back, remember I told you guys that I dropped my own preferred formation. Why I expect we go play against this Fulham, but we no play am, make a drop am again. For those who don't see am, I dropped this formation like 3 days ago or thereabouts. Get so when you look at my formation, you see say people who are put for the front, get Martinelli controlling wing, that's against Manchester United. Then Bukayo Saka controlling wing. Then for that 9, I go say okay, since Gabriel Jesus don't come back, it's a big game, big occasion. But we just introduce Gabriel Jesus immediately. But if to say them play Edin Keita, I no go say no, get, because it's at the Emirates and Edin Keita get this relationship with the Emirates crowd, they make them perform anytime we play there. So since we are playing at home, I no go mind even if we put Edin Keita. Now when it comes to the midfield, like I always say, I'm expecting a midfield 3 of Odegaard, Partey, and Declan Rice. Then when it comes to the back 4, I'm expecting Gabriel Magalhaes to come back. Saliba should play. Then Ben White will go for a preferred right back. Then Zinchenko will go for a normal left back. Now when Ben White is playing the right back, Bukayo Saka going to play very well, because it helps Saka they nullify the threats of 2 defenders. Will they always mark Saka to block Saka? Because if you watch Saka game now, two defenders, then they always mark him because they know who he is and they're trying to stop him. But with Ben White over there doing the overlapping runs, you go help Saka dey free, so because one of those 2 defenders will say, okay, I need to go and meet Ben White, and if he go meet Ben White, then Saka will deal with the other person 1v1, and Saka will leak like a pot of soup. So this is the formation I'm expecting Arteta to use. If Arteta no use this formation like this way, be verbatim, I will know say something is wrong. That means Arteta they quarrel with Gabriel Magalhaes. So that is the way me I see things. And away from that, so another talk on the year from Fabrizio Romano. Now the fact say Kylian Tierney don't join Real Sociedad on loan. He gets with no option to buy, no obligation to buy. And Arsenal, on the other hand, don't announce this deal for their own website. I saw it this morning while I was doing research. Arsenal thank Kylian Tierney for all in contributions because the guy don't go on loan. Nobody say we sell him, making the goal. It is all about development. Go on loan, refine yourself, play in the La Liga, understand the tiki-taka, become a better player, and come back to Arsenal. Even Kylian Tierney said don't come outside for the media space for the thank Arsenal for their support, thank Arsenal fans that is very, very grateful. He's going over to Real Sociedad. Even Kylian Tierney can mention say Odegaard, even follow and talk one view because Odegaard don't go on loan to Real Sociedad before from Real Madrid. So Odegaard can give him one or two things about La Liga so they can go there, have fun, develop, you get understand the tiki-taka way of playing. Yeah, then when you come back, it will be very, very easy for you to just slot in because Kylian Tierney is still a big player for Arsenal's future. So we are looking at how we can integrate the player into our football philosophy. Well, let's just watch how everything go. I wish him the best of luck and let him enjoy himself in Spain. Alright, so the Catalan newspaper, they'll come aside, can they let us know, say, Xavi has no intention of letting Eric Garcia join Arsenal. So when we talk about the Catalan newspaper, we're talking about Mundo Deportivo. So this is our monitoring spirit, and then can they let us know this new updates. But me, I believe, say, all this one I talk is cheap. By the time we back, I will sign this Cancelo from Man City. They will understand, say, Eric Garcia is surplus to requirements and they will need to sell him. Now, so they talk about Dembele. Dembele is not going anywhere. It's part of our future. It's our heritage. It's this and that. Last, Dembele don't run, go PSG. So, now, so if you know they follow what they talk verbatim, if you talk A for public, go for back, we talk B. So, at the end of the day, when push comes to shove, I think this backer, they will sell Eric Garcia. Not really sell, they will loan him out to Arsenal because we don't really need the guy permanently. I think it's a loan deal because they feel so by the time when the 1 year loan deal will finish, Julian Timber will not come back. So that's where Arsenal are looking at things. Edu Gaspar, Arsenal, Richard Garlick, Tim Lewis, all these people wait there for the admin. They are working so hard, tooth and nail, to make sure we sign players before the window closes. Now, auto injury update. So for Edin Ketia, I remember saying Daily Canon, the talk say Edin Ketia get a knee injury. So from what we are hearing from our sources now, they say that one is not really the way it be. So we are expecting Edin Ketia to be available for selection against Manchester United. For Tomiyasu, we missed the match against Fulham. It is just a one-match ban. We are expecting Tomiyasu to also come back. So Zinchenko is back, Gabriel Jesus is back. I think the only notable absentee might be Julian Timber. We no go really play for us, so we are expecting that one to come back in 2024. Alright, for media side, they're going to ask Arteta, say, why you know they play Gabriel Magalhaes? Arteta can't explain, but the main point we say, they're going to ask Arteta, say, this thing what you explain now, sure you don't tell Gabriel Magalhaes, like, does he know why he's not playing? Arteta say yes, same with Gabriel Magalhaes, don't discuss 1v1. So he don't explain to them, say, okay, Baba, now like this, so see the information we try to use, again, see what we try to achieve. That is why you know they play. So the contact say, okay, does Gabriel Magalhaes understand what you said? Because say, well, I have explained to him whether he understands or he does not understand. Saying that the player now in hand, and that is true because Gabriel Magalhaes will not be happy that he's not playing. Actually, there's no player that will be happy that they are not involved in the scheme of things. But I just believe the experimentation phase is over because there is now, at this point now, there is no logical reason to play Thomas Partey at right back. Before the first 2-3 matches, there was a logical reason because Baba Gofi give you excuse say nobody was playing that inverted fullback. And make I no lie for you, moving forward, the new trend of football is that inverted role because look at Tottenham Hotspur. The new coach Ange Postecoglou is playing that inverted fullback role. You get, you see them enjoying results and winning. So that is why everybody don't they emulate. Even the coach said, "I am copying Pep Guardiola." Everybody wants to do that. Liverpool is inverting. For you to say that is the way forward now. Everybody wants control. Everybody wants domination. You get, so that you put them in the better space or give them better chances to win games. You get, so that is why since you don't get Zinchenko, you don't get Timber. Who else can help us do that inverted way? You get White no fit do am, Kivior no fit do am. That is why Arteta was doing experiments with Partey. Now we have a Zinchenko who is back, so there is no logical reason anymore to play Partey the right back. That is why I am beating my chest and telling you against Manchester United, you will not see Partey at right back. But if we can't go see him against all odds, I'm going to say Arteta, something is wrong. Alright, away from that, so Alan Padu come outside when they talk about Kai Havertz. So Baba Kole say Kai Havertz is a work in progress. So the guy get technical ability when you see the way the guy they play. But the thing is say that technical ability, he has not seen it at Arsenal. He has played the first game, the second game, the third game. He has not really held the game in the scruff of the neck. Like, he has not really shown us why we paid £65 million for him, even though he's not directly responsible for us paying that fee. But the thing is say Padu Kole agree say this boy is a work in progress. He's going to get better soon. And for me, I just be pity for Kai Havertz at this time. Like, I just be pity for him, because imagine say this guy they come online, come they check what people they talk about, and he go cry. He go say, hey God, if I know I don't come Arsenal, if not Everton, I could join. Like, I just, you know, sometimes I do reverse psychology and I play devil's advocate. So I try to put myself for the player's shoes. Even the pressure when they come from Arsenal fans, the hits, if they make in confidence level, they very, very low. If you observe, when they give them passing or release the pass immediately, he don't want to mistake. And it is what it is, and it is very, very sad. It's just a sad thing when they happen to the player. But I just believe say it will come good in the future. Alright, so you get another new rule now where the FA don't bring another one that they are where if a manager collects 3 yellow cards, that manager is going to be missing 1 match. Now, the manager who I take no say this new rule, he dey in effect now. Marco Silva, he gets will be Fulham coach. The first 3 matches Fulham don't play, that coach don't collect yellow card for the 3 matches. Now he's going to be missing their next match, and I think their next match is against a Manchester City. They are playing against a big side. We make the coach come to complain. So it will be difficult because he will not be there to back out instructions, to give out instructions to his players. We also have started to don't collect 2. Okay, first one a Community Shield, so I don't know that one will count. Yes, but now he don't collect for the league. He don't collect 1 again now. So we could just go watch. So these are the new rules. Get even said 2 coaches cannot be in the technical area and be given instruction, because before, if you watch, Arteta go there for the technical area. I think the assistant coach said go there. I think that they direct. I said go they direct the orchestra. But for now, you are allowed to have 1 person in the technical area. And if you watch, for that match you play against Fulham, some of the times Arteta just sit down get for the bench, just they watch, they observe. We go stand up, talk 1 or 2, go sit down back again. So that is because of the new laws that are in place now. So make Arteta just dial down the tempo and be very, very careful. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you don't watch yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Happy new week. And get out.